The Somali hip-hop group Wayaha Usub, who sings about everything from the tragedy of war to the power of love and friendship, are leading a new campaign to bring live modern music back to war-torn southern Somalia in one of the most dangerous cities of the world, Mogadishu. They plan to rally youth and would-be fighters to resist extremist rebels and finally forge peace in the African Horn.
kuwa kafiya jira kubada nahaysiya kista magaarashada kuwa kafiya jira kubada nahaysiya kista magaarashada kuwa kafiya jira sida aan isku walaarsan anagoo Soomaalidu waxa laga yaabaa dadku gobolada ka nabad inaysan is aqoon ama cadaawad ka dhacaysa laakiin haddana anagu waxaan isku daynaa inaan kalsooni iyo walaalnimo abuurno dadka khalad ku dagaalamayna aanu badbaadino oo dib wax u sheegno runtii aan dadka isaaf garayno أنا واستعمالنا موسيقى أما عاد رنتي أنا كوجد بنا فريمة هناك وأنا هلك حلقة ما أنت تدكو حلو شيء كرتكو وحلو ما أنت تدكو سخر ذا اللو فهمي دينتي سخر ذا ما أنت لو قلت على ماي صحافة دي
We believe music can change lives of people, and music is a worldwide language. Everyone understands. It's very simple.
It's a universal language.
Yeah, universal language.
And it can change the whole world.
Yeah.
Yeah, we believe in music. One love.
Yeah.
All of the world.
So what do you say to the world about music freedom?
Music is our life.
Yeah, what up Africa? Dude, this that submarine music, baby. Why ask you? Let's take it to the sea, baby.
Daniel J. Gerstley.
How is everybody tonight? Do you feel good? Well, you were all privileged to be part of the very beginning of the Somali Sunrise Concert Tour for Peace. This is the launch concert to take musicians who use Somali hip-hop, R&B, and Afrobeat music to persuade youth across the African Horn to turn away from extremism and violence. You can learn about us on somalisunrise.org. This tour is produced by Wayaha Usub, the musicians you just learned about, as well as Somali Public Radio, Radio Dalgir, and Humanitarian Bazaar. Thank you to the Kennedy Center for this wonderful space, the wonderful event. And we also want to introduce ADESO, which is a humanitarian aid agency that works in Somalia, South Sudan, and northern Kenya. And you can learn about them at the table in the back. They're also friends of the tour. So get ready for some of you, your first taste of Somali music, and prepare to support Wayaha Usub and our musicians tonight. First, I would like to introduce Abdul Rajal from the digital outreach team from the State Department, who's going to explain a little bit about the context and then introduce our musicians. Thank you very much.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for coming this evening. My name is Abdul Halim Rajal, Digital Outreach Team, U.S. Department of State. And Wayaha Usub, in English, it means new era. And as you know, maybe some of you know that the group is based in Nairobi. And their main concept, that what they are singing about, it's what the country is going through, the piracy, the terrorism, the young generation that has been lost. And I'm very happy today to introduce to you the members of the team, Sheena Ali, Sheena Akhyar, Mr. Dalmar Yare, and Hodan Abdurrahman, as well as Barkhat Laarte. So enjoy, and thank you very much for coming. I'm sorry, I forgot Mr. Abbas. Thank you.
I just want to thank everybody who have their time to come all the way down here to support us. I just want to say thank you once again.
Thanks everyone.
Okay, this first song is called Somalia. It talks about Somalia and what people going through right now and how they can survive. And Burkhard will play the music. dalkii waad gubteen ee maacirka dagaysaan dadkii waa badnayseen maduulkana sugaysaan Soomaaliye 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 dalkii waad gubteen ee maacirka dagaysaan dadkii waa badnayseen maduulkana sugaysaan Somaliye, 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 Somaliye. Dulmigaad galaysaan taariikhda badaabici ee idin madaya oo dacaarteeda warheli dulmigaad galaysaan taariikhda badaabici ee idin madaya oo dacaarteeda warheli Somaliye 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 Aiga dardarane dardarane Somaliye Aiga dardarane dardarane Somaliye Mantantin naganon dibo disna dalkeni Allah mantantin naganon dibo disna dalkeni Somaliye 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 Waiga dardarane dardarane Somaliye Waiga dardarane dardarane Somaliye Mantantin naganon dibo disna dalkeni Allah mantantin naganon dibo disna dalkeni Somaliye 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 dalkiisi duminayay duunidii arkeeno maraakiib gudaafada lagu daadinayaa Soomaaliye 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 dalkiisi duminayay duunidii arkeeno maraakiib gudaafada lagu daadinayaa Somaliye 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 ugu dhisna dalkeeni
Somalia, Somalia. I know many of you guys don't understand what we're saying, but what we were talking about was like exactly what is happening right now in Somalia. Like for 20 years, there have been war. A lot of kids has been like, you know, getting killed, and they don't have that much of like hospitals there. They can go and get treated when somebody shoot them for no reason. So that's what he was singing about.
Now it's time for Hodan Abdurrahman, which is one of the creators of Waya Wasuf, and it's great that we have together tonight for the first time. It's 8 years that we perform together. Okay, this coming song is a little bit different than before. It's one of most legendary traditional music of Somalia. It's called Danto, and we actually have a kind of unique dance for it. So, but we need some of the audience to be volunteers and come enjoy with us on the stage. And we're gonna show you how to do it. And the song is a love song. It's a very romantic song. It's a very romantic song. We want you to enjoy it. Let's go.
dhammaantood diyaanu dhaafaa hablaha dhammaantood diyaanu dhaafaa hablaha dhammaantood diyaanu dhaafaa dhulka meelug baadilo dhirtu ay ku badanto indhihii ku dheehdiyo qalbiga uga dhigantee indhihii ku dheehdiyo qalbiga uga dhigantee luquntada dheer iyo dibnahaga dhinka markan dhunkadaabay xaddu idhaqaqda luquntada dheer iyo dibnahaga dhinka markan dhunkadaabay xaddu idhaqaqda
Thank you very much. Next song, where's Holden? Okay, we want, this is a very good moment for us as Waya Usub United States, Waya Usub Kenya. Shine, Holden, and me, we didn't see each other for like 8 years. We didn't perform each other for 8 years. Me and Holden, we were here, we have seen each other for many times, but as member of Waya Usub, we haven't performed together like this. It's a very good moment for us today, and thanks for everybody who give us a hand to do that. And Shine, Holland, welcome to the stage. Let's go.
Yup, admigo yup. Musliyan baqata oo mumikalayada yap admigo yap Musliyan baqata oo mumikalayada. That's the way we Somal rap.
Hawshan kula bogolla ano bahidaadiya ku kaasaasan qabin ano bahidaadiya ku kaasaasan qabin kalaman bakhayre hawshan kula bogolla
bukan iya balas asal anak kami bahit kaya barat tahi balong kaya sahal yahay kasabas ka waya mana hidup burun yahay barat chana bela babamah tahi baris sama bela ilang mabala pata pasar pasar kuma barat mana barat kela kuma kamu bukasa qafarana biya kama abba bani marat ana kama baha bahla beta bariya hena basha kuma inu yahay kama baqin baridada boodyahaga baryadada baaranaya kaala bilo waya cusub
ano bahidaadiya bukaasaasan qabin ano bahidaadiya bukaasaasan qabin kalaman bakhayre hawshan kula bogolla
bulan iya muran bahsan ana garin hawsha ana bixin karin kaba taga booga heeda xubinti amoobana gacantaydu baartaay baarashadu waxay tahay wax la beera sooma noqon dhul barwaaqana qubaaxa qurux baasa mid la siiya afka baasha uma gaari waxaan barta naasaheeda uma dhicin boqonkeeda qofarada biyo kama cabo balli maaran ana kama baxo wax la beerta baryaheena bashal dumar inuu yahay kama baqin ما إلا وباردادا حدا داسم بودي هاجا كما تاجم بريضادا وايا بارنا يا كالا باللو وايا عصب
أنا باردادي يا بوكاساسا أنا باردادي يا بوكاساسا كلام بخير عشان كلا أنا باردادي يا بوكاساسا
Okay.
This for Somalia.
Somalia. Okay, this next song. Huston, this song, I name it Hodan. It's for this lady right here. When I come to United States, she was the only person that I know. And I tried to look for her, and it takes me 1 year. I don't know where she was. It takes me
That
1
was
year
3
and a
years.
half to get her, to see her. And the first night I saw her, I showed her the song that I made for her, and then we decided to do it together. It's a love song, but she's not my love.
I'm his sister. Like,
She's
we
my
were,
sister.
we were
She's my good friend, but I just decided to make it. You know, like she's my girl. Oh.
Okay, probably he tried to work for some other name, but he just mistake on mine in there.
Oh,
Mine
no.
went in there for mistaking. But anyways.
I've been looking for you too.
haygu yaalba aragaaga jecelo ayaan waliba hodani adiga ku raasha سكين على المضايق وتكون عافي ماضي يستريح كنولو سكين على المضايق وتكون عافي ماضي يستريح كنورو
See.
That's our flag right there.
بدقيسي آمين تيلا غابو
وحان على السلاح أساقي وفالنا إنك ويساروسني لقرو مورا
وحان إبابريا أنا كويستريحيا عقلاق بدقيسي آمين تيلا غابو
وحان على السلاح أساقي وفالنا إنك ويساروسني لقرو مورا
unugyada jirkaygiyo wuxuu uurku tabayaa wadan adiga weeye weliga ogsoono
waxay ahaalayd arrinii hirgelilayd anigu wayaankay hore ku ahaadee
You will be one day.
unugyada jirkaygiyo wuxuu uurku tabayaa wadan adiga weeye weliga ogsoono
waxay ahaalayd arrinii hirgelilayd anigu wayaankay hore ku ahaadee
istareex ku noolo
istareex ku noolo
Amin, amin. Okay, before I start the song, I would like to introduce what is the song about. As many of you Somalis know, Hodan Abdurrahman, she comes from a family which is her mother, she's well-known artist Somalia. She's legendary, Amina Abdullahi. Her father is Abdurrahman Dere, is one of the biggest singers in Somalia. So this song is just a memory to her mom. This song, her mom used to sing it. It's a very good song. It's one of the biggest songs that her mom sings.
شبتين إيدك وحشين شيدا دايما كبادين شرع الله الشوجية وش أحلى بقياني سير 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 موش شبتين شغف يسبقيني عادي غوشي توقبي كعيطات وشدي شالي أهل شسين شغف يسبقيني عادي غوشي توقبي كعيطات وشدي شالي أهل شسين شمارتيو شوقي قاعدين دقال شوتما ما كقد شاعي شيش قفاضو تعشاي شيك مسكتي يا شغل عاشقة ما إذا كشرتك إيدك وحشاي شيدا دايما كبادقي شرع اللي شوجيها وش أحلى بقياني سير 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 موش وشوتين إيدك وحشين شيدا دايما كبادين شرع اللي شوجيها وش أحلى بقياني سير 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 موش وشوتين سير موش شبتين سير موش شبتين سير موش شبتين سير موش شبتين سير موش شبتين
Once again, I would like to welcome Shine.
Shine
Soca, soca. This is soca.
means get up. It's
Get
like-
up and dance. That's what it means. So I hope you understand and come and dance with us.
أنيقو ما سيدان عيساكا
This song, it's talking about the terrorism that happens, like, I think everybody watches TVs all the time. This song is talking about Al-Shabaab. We want to educate the little kids that who just like, wanted to kill themselves for no reason. So we just want to tell them, it's a song that is talking about that, it's a message to tell the little kids not to kill themselves for no reason.
Give me the club and I will follow. ياب إيه أما كاك أما يا ذوابر وحا الليوتا أما أطيرتا روحتا يقين قارا يسر كذا كون فيذن يا يقانا ديباتا وتكينا يورسادا يا يقانا يا عيستا الشباب كله يار أي باعيته يا عالم كان ويرالي أمدنا وذا يا أقطوذا آني يا قبورها ويسير دانا هوذا كو يشفى إلا اللفا مالا يا لدم مالا لا ويابا يالكوذنا قورع ميا دتك وذا يا رميا إلا يحيى وحا هلا الروح دنت يا رهلا يس أنا والي قار أرقق حسا يبقى حمت هذا يا رد كان أقدم دتكنا يا أشاق القعيدة إينا
dadkeenana yaa u sheega alqaacida yab yab adniga u yab musliya maqaato oo mumika everybody like this yab yab adniga u yab musliya maqaato oo mumika la yaada yab yab adniga u yab musliya maqaato oo mumika la yaada yab yab adniga u yab musliya maqaato oo mumika la yaada adniga u yab musliya maqaato oo mumikala yada yab iyo ama kaag ama yada waa baad waxa adayur ama ad u yeertaa ruuxata yaqiin gaara isirkeeda kuu fidan ya yaqaana dhibatada waddankeena yurursada ya yaqaana yacistaa al-shabaabka loogu ayawaha ciidaho iyo caalamkana u yagaalay ummadana wadayada aqontooda aana yaal qabuuraha u yasira daanahooda ku yeeshafa ila lafa meela yaala dambi maala lagu yabo yalkooduna gowrac miya dadkan wada yaara miya ilaa yaxya waxa hela ruuxata diyaara hela يا أنا ولي كار أرجع حسي يبقى يحوم تضا يا ويل يا ركان أو قديم دكنا أنا يا وشجع القاعدة إليه دكنا أنا يا وشجع القاعدة ياب ياب أدريجو ياب مسلم مقاط من كاريادا ياب ياب أدريجو ياب مسلم مقاط من كاريادا يا لها أسرار الشباب يا لها إذا الشباب يا لها حسود Yesaya, yabakaga magle. Anigoku Yesaya, yabakaga magle. Anigoku Yesaya, yabakaga magle. Anigoku Yesaya, yabakaga magle. Yor, Somala yor, hor ana yaremba wadakena yim. Yor, Somala yor, hor ana yaremba wadakena yim. Yor, Somala yor. hor ana yaremba wadakena yimid yor Somala yor hor ana yaremba wadakena yimid yor Somala yor hor ana yaremba wadakena yimid yor Somala yor hor ana yaremba wadakena yimid Somalia wallahi الشباب يا لها حسوق القاعدة يا لها حسوق أنيقوكو يسايا يا مقاقا مقلي أنيقوكو يسايا يا مقاقا مقلي أنيقوكو يسايا يا مقاقا مقلي أنيقوكو يسايا يا مقاقا مقلي
This song is named Kiss. Bah. Okay, it's a new song.
maankiyo qalbiga miirkaa ku raaco midabkaagan dahabka mawlaa ku siiye maankiyo qalbiga miirkaa ku raaco midabkaagan dahabka mawlaa ku siiye meeshaad ku nooshahay malin iyo habeen ku dulmeerayaayo muuqaalka rarsha meeshaad ku nooshahay malin iyo habeen ku dulmeerayaayo muuqaalka rarsha murayadii hablaha qurux lagu manaystay macanee huduleey macisi xabiibtii murayadii hablaha qurux lagu manaystay macanee huduleey معيسي حبيبتي معني وذني معيسي حبيبتي kastoo aan joogaba mobilkan wacaayo miday baan idhaahdaa muxibana iqaadaa meel kastoo aan joogaba mobilkan wacaayo miday baan idhaahdaa muxibana iqaadaa manaxee jacaylbaa شغليان لحم شاحياي من ناحية شعير بما ويلنا وترعى شغليان لحم شاحياي مرايدي هبلها روح لقو منايستاي معالي وغني معيسي حبيبتي مرايدي هبلها وروح لقو منايستاي معالي صغيري معيسي حبيبتي معالي وغني معيسي حبيبتي معاني وذني معيسي حبيبتي.
Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you everybody who came over here, who took their time to come over here and support us. I just want to say thank you, and we really appreciate for this tonight.
Thank you again. And also I want to thank the all American people and also the American government, the way they give us support in our community. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming. Please learn more about Somalia, about the music and the culture of Somalia. these guys are leaders in Somalia's cultural future, the future of the African Horn. So we're very glad you could be part of this. Thank you very much.